Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the cubed weighted moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the cubed weighted moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 321 indicators. Out of those 321 indicators, 131 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 131 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the cubed weighted moving average. You can see it here on screen. So we have the moving average line here. It's turning from green to red. It also colors the bars according to what color the moving average is. And so I think what I'm going to do actually is move this. There we go. Let's move it down here. And we can go ahead just for the fun of it and bump these up just a little bit here, like so. If I could get on the right one here. There we go. I'll get it figured out eventually, I promise. Alright, so there we go. I went ahead and moved the line down here below. It just makes it a little bit easier to see instead of it being hidden up here in the price action. Of course, the bars themselves are actually changing with the moving average color change also. So pretty simple setup. This is on a 30 period, the same period that we tested all the other moving averages. We've tested quite a few moving averages in other videos, including a head-to-head setup on moving averages, and we run across new moving averages ever so often. And so this one we are going to, like I said, test across the 30 period, just like we did the rest. Let's see here. So it looks like we pick up first signal is right there on that one. And doesn't quite get us to take profit. Then we pick up a short signal right there on that one. Then a long signal, and then a short signal right there. Let's go ahead and continue to play this out. It does. Yep, so this one right here actually got us to take profits. Then we pick up a long signal, or I'm sorry, a short right there. That candle. And pretty quickly we get stopped out over here on this one as it gives us a long signal, but then reverses course again rather quickly, heading down there, and that one would have gotten us to take profit. So moving along here, continue to play this out some. So we pick up a long right there. That one's not going to work out too well. A short here, which also doesn't go much of anywhere. Then another long and another short and another long, short, then finally a long over here on this side. And we've seen this before where we get kind of these clusters of losing trades. This might be just kind of an anomaly, and we've seen that happen before where it's kind of like an anomaly for a moment, and then the indicator starts to really work out, you know, as we continue the testing, getting to the 60% criteria. So let's not count it out yet. I know it looks pretty bad with a lot of red trades right off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and cut some of the video out here, get us closer to the end of the year, so that way this video doesn't get so long. So yeah, I'll pick this up a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. As I said, it actually started to pick up some really decent trade signals here, and so I'm interested to see if it was able to break that 60% that we are looking for. 1 second here. Finish out these last couple of signals. There, and yeah, that will put us at the end of the year right there. All right, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You'll find a link to our Patreon down below. Really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. In our Patreon-only channel, posting a lot of really good advanced information, conversations about things. We also have a list, a rather lengthy list that one of our admins, Jay, put together of a lot of the winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit instead of TradingView, then that would be a really good list for you to get your hands on. Jay spent a lot of time kind of compiling that list. Doesn't have all of them, but quite a few of them. And so the admins and some of the regular members in the Patreon only Discord channel are posting regular trade analysis almost on a daily basis. They are posting charts with markups and all kinds of really, really good information. If you're trying to dial in a trading strategy, then that's kind of the ideal market conditions you should be looking for to kind of, you know, get your trading strategy in the right place. Or if you're just trying to train your eye to kind of recognize those market conditions, take some really decent trades, whatever you want out of it, it's totally up to you. But they're posting, like I said, almost on a daily basis, trade ideas and posting results from some of the trades that they have taken, growing small accounts really, really quickly in there. It's a wonderful, positive, uplifting environment to be in. And so even if you're an experienced trader just looking for a like-minded group of people to be around, bounce ideas off of, or so on, then like I said, it's a great place to be. So all right, back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and scrunch these in here. There we go, right about there. All right, So let's count these out and see what we get out of this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So we have 49 trade signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So doesn't get us to the 60%. Definitely was over trading quite a bit. Yeah, there were some points that it called out some really decent lengthy trades, but when it hits consolidation, really just gets torn to pieces. And so another moving average, not a great one. A lot of them that we have tested have also not been that great, and so doesn't really surprise me that this one didn't work out too well. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.